Good morning. Welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to the vlog cabin. We are here. I'm so excited this morning. I was working on something yesterday and it finished printing. This is a fully 3D printed air filter that'll fit on whatever that lowbrow, the Triumph filters are. As a direct replacement for that. I kind of mentioned in the last video that I was toying with the idea of challenging myself with a 3D printed air filter, and here we go. I think I figured out the first prototype. So I'm gonna slap this bad boy in the bike and see what happens. See if we can hopefully not blow up the motor. Sound off in the comments. Let me hear what you think. If you think this is absolutely R-worded and completely vile use of 3D prints, let me know. Or, you know, whatever. If this is against Harley sacrilegion, whatever. Yeah, I want to hear it. So here's the original. And this one definitely is overdue for a replacement. Let's see. How did our dimensions come out? Pretty good there. Tiny bit shorter there. We can adjust that with the size of the filter and the size of these little spacers. That was intentionally done to be just a hair shorter. But, uh-oh. Oh, that's not gonna work at all. Oh, man. Shit. Well, I guess that's the end of that. That's the end of that dream. The smoke is from WD-40 on the pipes, burning off. I don't really know what I expected. Kind of need to take it for a test ride, but okay. Well, current failures are leading hopefully to future successes. That's what I'm hoping for. This didn't. I completely forgot about the dog dish itself, and so this won't fit with this dog dish, unfortunately. I could probably 3D print a new one of these and just see if it'll work, or maybe I'm overcooking the filter with the screws and being able to take it apart and put it all back together. Perhaps it just needs to be more simple. Maybe I just need a filter element printed out and then slap that inside. Yeah, anyway, back to the drawing board on that. I recently acquired some more stalkers. Thank you Bradley, I think was his name. Super nice guy. Thank you for the stock wheels. Appreciate that. I'm not entirely sure what I'm going to do with 3 wheels, but it was a good deal for all 3. So I went ahead and paid the man and brought them home. So here they are. I'm most interested in this one here, the solid stalker, 16-inch rear, and then this one here. However, this is like an older style hub, so we'll see. But yeah, I got some projects here to work on. Unfortunately, that's probably where I'm going to cut the video. I've got a presentation interview that I'm working on that's happening at the end of this week. So yeah, wish me luck. I hope it's more successful than this air filter. All right, we'll see you on the next one. Peace.